final project for Code in Place under Stanford University. And as you can see, this project is based upon the Wikipedia scraping, and the output we are showing is a word cloud. So here we have the import Wikipedia library, and here from the word cloud I have imported word cloud and stop words, and I'm using a matplotlib library, which is a visualization library in Python for 2D plots of arrays. And here you can see that in line number 5 I have the image path over here, and this is the main function which is getting called from here. And here what I'm doing is I'm getting the user input from the keyboard from here, and then if the search keyword is not blank, then I'm trying to grab that search word and get the Wikipedia data. And for the wiki content, this is the functionality from the library wikipedia.search of keyword, and then it fetches me the title from the page, and page.content actually gives me the entire content of the page searched in Wikipedia. And I'm returning the content for uh, for this function, and this content is basically retained over here in the wiki content variable. And this variable I am passing it to the plot word cloud, and I'm also passing the second parameter as search keyword. So what here I'm doing is I'm calling this plot word cloud method, and I'm passing the stop words over here, and then I'm calling this uh, library called word cloud, and I'm passing the content over here in the generate method. And for the plotting, I'm using the matplotlib. So this is functionality, and here I'm taking the image path, which is a constant over here, and I am creating a file name with search keyword with the format of SVG, as you can see. Now let me run and show it. So so here you can see that it is asking me for the keyword. So if I write Python programming, and here you can see that the SVG has been written over here. If I open the SVG, this is the word cloud over here. That's it. Thanks for watching the project.